Ah! A lesser dog appears. Doge! I wonder what I should do with the Doge. Wields a strong stone dagger made of pomegranate. Ah! Pant, pant. Ooh, so difficult. I'm totally gonna pet it anyway, Shikataganai. I barely lifted my hand and Lesser Dog got excited. Tiny bark. Oh, come on! Barking excitedly. Pet it again! You lightly touch the dog. It's already overexcited. Its head is going up! Ha! Can't get me this time. You pet the dog. It raises its head up to meet your hand. Get out of here, arrows. Lesser Dog is barking excitedly. Pet it again! It was a good dog. Excited noise. Woo! Get out of here. Lesser Dog is You pet the dog. Its overexcitement knows no bounds. Excited noises. Its head. Ow! Get out of here! Overstimulated. Do it again! Critical pet! Dog excitement increased! Lesser Dog is overstimulated. It can no longer attack me. Pet it again! You have to jump up to pet the dog. Motor revving? Lesser Dog. Oh, this is getting good. You don't even pet it! It gets more excited! Plane takeoff. Lesser Dog shows no signs of stopping. This is the most intense fight I have ever done. There is no way to stop this madness! Kettle whistle. You call the dog, but it is too late. It cannot hear you. Bark. Shows no signs of... I'm sorry guys, you can't see this. I'm gonna fix the fact that you can't see this. Gonna turn off my visualizer really quick. Now you guys can see what I see. Do you see this here? This was not here last time. What is this? Lesser Dog shows no signs of stopping. Let's do it again. You can reach the Lesser Dog again. Bark. Lesser Dog is lowering. You pet the Lesser Dog. I pet Lesser Dog. I'm gonna do it until it gets to the bottom. This is gonna be amazing. I swear to you. Its face is in the text box. It's possible that you may have a problem. This is amazing! What is this? I definitely do have a problem with petting this dog. This is what the game is doing. I think it's real. I keep petting it and it keeps telling me it's lowering. I'm guessing this is its method of lowering. Its tail is also moving faster as I continue petting it. I'm hoping at some point the tail is just gonna, like, cause the dog to rocket off screen. The dog is now fused with the text box. That is the status we're at right now. I'm speechless! I don't know what else to do. I want this to get in my menus. That'll be hilarious. I don't think I have the patience to bring it all the way off screen. Or maybe I'll do it and just fast forward it later and you guys have to suffer through right now. Wait, it said something different, didn't it? Lesser dog is unpettable, but it appreciates the Done. I can't play this anymore. What is this? Lesser dog is unpettable, but appreciates the attempt. What? Lesser dog is whining because it can't see you. It can't see me because it somehow buried its head in my menu. It could see me fine through its own text bubble, but as soon as it hits my menu, it can't see me. Lights out. I gotta go. One more time. One more time. Oh. I think the answer here is to show some mercy. What is this game? What was that dog? That was amazing. I need... I'm gonna turn my this back on. Wow. That was the best enemy of any video game in the entire world. I want every enemy to be like that.